Abon. More the ship. The ship.
Thank you, my brother. It doesn't come to camp for a very long time. This way.
Next, the Executive Governor of the State, Emmanuel, the Chairman of the Constitutional Council, both your own and my own, former governor.
Let me appreciate and thank you. If I'd seen something different in Benue, I would have been surprised. But I want to let you know, you welcome me in a way I feel indebted to you. Thank you so much, my brother, Governor Udom. Let me also appreciate his Deputy Governor, the Speaker, all the aspirants. After this, I will be calling you attempted governors. For those who will not make it. Those who will make it, members of the National Assembly, members of the State House of Assembly, our party stalwarts. All of us are here as introduced by my Commissioner for Information. Today, I'm not here just as a governor. I'm more as an aspirant. If I were to come as a governor, I would have come with my entire executive. But this one you can see I'm coming with a different team. So, as an aspirant, if you tell me to roll on the floor, I'll roll now. Once I can get the votes to rescue and restore Nigeria. That's what is actually propelling some of us here. A lot of people might be wondering. They say, but PDP is a party that took this country to a very high level. PDP did so much, even in terms of security, infrastructure, education, name it. The economy of this country, when we debased it, was the biggest economy in the whole of Africa. Our debt profile was being envied all over the world. But all of a sudden, in the past 7 years, we plunged into a level that if you feel the way I'm feeling, you'll be challenged to enter this race. Why are we entering this race? I don't want tomorrow, let my children come and blame me, say, Daddy, what happened? Nigeria got to this point. How come you didn't even show interest to rescue Nigeria? Why did your parents spend all that time and money to bring you up? Why did the whole country spend that so much to raise you as a Nigerian? So, because of the situation today, we feel challenged. Nothing more than that. Not for self-interest, not for anything to be satisfied that is personal, but on a very selfless matter. We believe what we are facing today is not insurmountable in any way. We have solutions that we can prefer. Some of them does not even need money. Some need policies, and things will just move well. And we know the right policies that can bring the right solution and the right answer to some of the issues. So that's why you see me feeling challenged now, coming in as a party member. And I want to reassure our party members, my own is not a do or die affair at all. I'm in the race like Isaiah to see if God wants to partner with me. I'll say, here am I, send me. If he says I'm not the one, whoever God says that person is, I will join my two hands with my entire family to give that person a support. But I want to let you know, as my brothers, that God is looking for someone to partner to rescue Nigeria. So whether we like it or not, somebody must offer, and let God be the one to choose. If we don't make a step forward, God does not force anybody. He gives us the free will and the free mind to make our own decision and take our steps. So that's why you see me making that bold step out. That God, if you find me worthy to partner, but this country cannot continue like this because we don't have any other country. If you find me worthy to partner with me, I'll be ready to go down that line. But if not, I'll be able to support whoever that you want. So let it be on record that with our exposure, our antecedent, our capacity, our sincerity, our integrity, and our love for this country, that we offered ourselves to rescue and restore the dignity, the prosperity, the progress, and the growth of this country at a time like this. Nigeria needs people like us, so we must step forward. So it's on that note, I came up, first of all, to pay homage to our elder brother. We call him elder brother in the governor's forum. So he's an elder to us, because no matter what, they say in the kingdom of animals, all animals are equal, but some are more equal. If not for anything, in age and in pocket, he has more money than me. He has more money than me. And he's also slightly, not much, even if he's by one day, older than me. So we have to pay homage and give him all the due respect that you will accord an elder brother. So that's why we have to come and pay that homage to him as a brother, and as my elder brother, and also as our elder in our forum. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Governor of Akwa Ibom State, Emmanuel Udom. I was watching a youth copper about to pass out in the camp. That, do you know the governor of Benue State? She excited to say, yes, I know the governor of Benue State. I say, what is his name? He say, Udom, Emmanuel. And the thing went viral. I'm sure some of you also saw it. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Benue State, the Speaker, members of Benue State Security and Executive Council, and of course, Guba aspirants. Your Excellency and your team, for your information, we had 36 gubernatorial aspirants in Benue State. The message is so clear that shows that PDP is the party to beat. So we are talking, we are working, and we believe that at the end, one person will emerge. So they are all here to welcome you. All of them. See, we have one woman there. I'm not sure you have one woman in Akwa Ibom as a Guba aspirant, but we will have. She's here to collect the form in Akwa Ibom, okay. So, a very distinguished leader, former governor of Benue State, 2 times House of Representative member, a very distinguished senator of Federal Republic of Nigeria, and 2nd time senator to be. Yes. Governor Gabriel, who was a something Domagia, the DG of the campaign, a very distinguished member of the entourage of our dear brother and friend, who is the incoming President, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, time is fast spent, and we're happy to receive you. And thank you very much for once again showing passion for our state, Benue, for finding time to be here with us. Others will say that without Benue, I can still make it. Because you don't need to have all the states, but you can make it. You have done well. One, by appointing one of us to be your campaign council chairman. That alone speaks volumes, and we appreciate it. I want to thank you very much. You have shown passion and concern and sympathy for our state, because we remember that Benue State has been under siege for a very long time, and few states have contributed to support our IDPs. You are one of them, and we appreciate you. We're very proud of you. We're happy with you. You have done so much. What you did have gone a long way to save lives and to help our IDPs. And for us, we're very happy. More than 1.5 IDPs are in various camps up to today. We look forward for God leading you to also come out to make yourself available for Nigerians to decide. Because truly, as APC and Buhari said in 2014, that he would take Nigeria from top to bottom. That is where we are. And we're more worried because we are not just at the bottom, we're going beneath the bottom. So it's a major source of concern for all Nigerians and for leaders like you who are in privileged position of being governor like me, that we should all be concerned. And we believe that you have the capacity, the wherewithal to help us to get out of the mess that we're in today. Economically, we know where we are. We are down. It has never been bad in the history of our country. Security-wise, it has never been bad where we are today. Socially, and every aspect of life, we have been down. But we cannot continue in this manner. So thank you very much for making yourself available. We look forward that Nigerians will x-ray, especially those of you in PDP, 15 of you, I believe that one of you will be good to be nominated as a candidate for the presidency of this country. And I believe, based on my experience working with you and several of our colleagues and several other party men who have indicated interest in PDP, all of you, the list of you is better than all the presidential aspirants in APC. And I believe that we can deliver. And so we pray that God will help us. And I want to appreciate you, the spirit that you have to allow God to decide, because I've always told people power belongs to God and he giveth it to whosoever he wills. And John 3:27, a man can receive nothing except is given to him from above. So it's in line with what we believe in Benue State and what we do. It doesn't matter who you are. You can be the most qualified person, but God will say no. Like Ecclesiastes 9:11 says, the battle is not for the swift, not for the strong, but the race for the fastest runner. But success for men of wisdom. But everything comes by time and chance as God giveth. So this is what you believe and you have said it. We look forward that God himself, because where we are today, it requires prayers. But it requires also action, because prayer without works is dead. So this is what you're doing, and many others in our party. And I believe that at the end of the day, God will definitely nominate someone that will help to rescue our country, Nigeria, and rebuild it. But above all, take it from bottom to top.
Thank you all.
Sorry, sir.
distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Chairman, the aspirant had promised that from what he has seen, and because of lack of time, that he would want to come back to Benue before the convention date. Let me introduce a gentleman who have shown through his antecedents, through his pedigree, through his capacity, competence, that he can not only lead Akwa Ibom, but he will be able to effectively lead our nation. Your country, Nigeria, does not have an airline. Akwa Ibom is the only state in the entire of African nation that is operating an effective, very efficient airline. That alone is enough. If a whole country does not have an airline and a state is operating it, that alone is enough reason to try him as the president to see what he can do for the country. There are a host of other things that he has done. You people know that I do not just go where it is somehow. Seeing me in here, you would have known that there is substance in what I'm presenting to you, Mr. Chairman. So, on the 28/29, when the Benue delegate go, you will see his own pictures, and of course his name. You just take Udom Emmanuel, Udom Emmanuel, Udom Emmanuel. And then, you can be rest assured that in the villa, nobody will stop any one of you at the gate of the villa. Is that not what we're looking for? And so Mr. Chairman, let me introduce the incoming president, the governor of Akwa Ibom, Emmanuel.
PDP! Thank you, our party chairman, the leaders of this party, the first female speaker in Nigeria. I must recognize her, especially all the senators, everybody, party represented here. Let me appreciate your own. My brother, I don't know how you will claim he's from Benue, who is from my village, but he's only wearing this cap to show as if he's a TV man. Thank you for giving it to me. And also my DG, and I came with a whole lot of people. But because of time, you see, we've been so excited that we'll spend the last 2.5 hours enjoying the ambience of Makurdi. Because here, I didn't come for campaign. I just came to greet my people. So I'm greeting my people. I say PDP to Benue. Yeah, I don't have anything to say. He has said in summary what to expect. You know, in my place, you know this palm fruit, when they are squeezing the oil, at times, those sharp people try to, munch it. They say, if you have a sister at that place, now both sides of your mouth you get a trap. So, I don't need to talk much here. If Benue people are graciously giving me the chairman of my campaign council, I'm rest assured that I get 100% from Benue. 100% from Benue.
Rescue Nigeria.
And a place that is so blessed like this, food basket of the nation, everything. Paul Apostle didn't do what these people have done to Nigeria. Have you heard what Paul Apostle said? Ask me to tell you. He said, if I bless you this much, materially and spiritually, is it too much for you people also to bless me materially? Benue, if you people have given Nigerian food to eat, is it too much for Nigeria as a country to in turn establish industries in Benue? Establish commercial flights into Benue? Set up proper economy of Benue to rise and shine? You will see a lot of people people pass through here, but when they are passing, they only stop here, eat, buy food, and go away. With that, there's nothing we call here appropriate pricing of what is done here. I promise you, we'll bring prosperity to the Benue people. We'll restore the economy of these people. My coming here today, I'm not coming to tell you what I can do. I'm saying, look at what I have done, and then know what to expect in Nigeria. If right now I don't control policies, I don't control many things, I don't control all the security apparatus, but today, security, we did there. Safety, we did there. Industrialization, we think right. Aviation, we did there. Gateways to industrialization, we did there. Infrastructure, think us right. Power, think us right. Tell me, not to talk of other social contracts I have with my people. Education, this one. I'm not the president that is coming to campaign and be telling you how. No. I'm coming to tell you when it comes to creativity, development, capacity, vision, everything. Just count on Udom, Emmanuel. I'm here. God is looking for somebody to partner to rescue this country. I say, here am I. When people send me, let God use you to send me. Let God use you to make me the president. And whatsoever God will use me to do, I in turn as man will try to make sure God also uses me to bless you people back. God bless PDP in Benue. God bless you. This is the best I've done in terms of the number of people. The reception. Everybody is happy to receive me. So tell me why I won't come back. I'll come back both as a candidate, I'll come back as president-elect, then I'll come back as the main president. PDP! Power to the people! Immediately I become president. Commercial flight must be coming to Benue. And tell me the first airline that will come here. They cannot hear you in Abuja. Which airline? Which airline? Who established IPOB? Does Nigeria have their own? No. Does Ghana have their own? No. If governor can do that, how much more can the president do? God bless you, PDP. PDP.
Your Excellency, our incoming president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellency, the chairman of the campaign council, and boss, distinguished guests that followed, distinguished delegates. Well, much as they said here, this is just like a homecoming, and we are happy that we have made one of us the chairman of your campaign council. I know very well that whatever Senator Siswan is involved, he likes doing it well. This is why I want to thank you for what you are doing so far. Thank you so much. And not only that, Your Excellency, Paul F. your former party chairman is my man. Chair. So he's here. Stand up, let the fellows. So, Your Excellency, our prayers are with you. And we pray that as you go back, God bless you. You always welcome to Benue. With this one, Benue is safe. Thank you and God bless all.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.